The purpose of this video is to show you how to do research on the internet for your genetic engineering debates. The internet provides you with tons of information at your fingertips, but not everything you read on the internet is accurate, credible, or reliable. It's up to you to critically examine the sources of online media and identify underlying assumptions. For example, if your group is assigned the topic of genetically modified foods, you may search in Google what is an example of a GMO crop. That search will give you this result. Soybeans are inserted with a gene that renders them resistant to weed killers such as Roundup. This is from a website, FAS.org. Be careful with .org, these sites are usually non-profit groups and may have their own agenda. So you continue to research. You see that we are making soybeans that are resistant to something called Roundup. So you search in Google, what is Roundup? The first thing you see is US News EPA. Glyphosate does not cause cancer. And this is from a website, Bayer.com. The second thing you see is a Wikipedia article on Roundup. You'll see that Roundup is a glyphosate-based herbicide. It's also produced by Monsanto, which was acquired by Bayer in 2018. So here's what we've learned from the first two searches. Roundup is an herbicide from Wikipedia.org. The active ingredient is glyphosate, also from Wikipedia.org. Glyphosate apparently does not cause cancer, from Bayer.com. And in 2018, Bayer acquired the company that produces Roundup, from Wikipedia.org. But wait, is Wikipedia a reliable resource? If you search, is Wikipedia reliable, you get a Wikipedia article that says Wikipedia is not a reliable source. So even Wikipedia does not think it's a reliable source. But what about Bayer.com? They seem reliable. But .com is a commercial website that's not usually considered a reliable source since they're usually trying to sell you something. And since Bayer is the company that makes Roundup, they're going to be biased. They have an incentive to only publish the studies that show them a favorable outcome. So what is a reliable internet resource? Try to find peer-reviewed articles. Stick to sources that you're familiar to. Domain names edu or .gov are great places to start. And if available, check the dates and the author's credentials. Finally, you should always be willing to dig deeper into your research. With further research, you might find articles like this or this. So be careful researching on the internet, and good luck with your genetic engineering debates.